Solar energy system net metering, which allows homes and small businesses to sell back to their electricity company the electricity they produce via rooftop photovoltaic panels, is rapidly gaining popularity. The practice has also picked up support from individual states. Almost all the states now allow customers to sell their surplus power back to their electricity company, often after state regulators analyze the economics and determine their fair. Meanwhile, industry lobbyists and some economists maintain that net metering siphons valuable, carbon-free electricity from the power grid. Industry supporters would prefer to see the wholesale price of power drop and electricity company offer more financial incentives to customers to reduce power use during peak demand hours. While the rate structure was designed for a time when the grid was dominated by fossil fuel generation, as the generation mix has changed, the current rate structure has become a deterrent to the deployment of renewable energy. The average monthly cost of rooftop solar energy systems, including equipment, installation, and energy credits the panels are eligible to receive, varies widely across the country.